My good friend Keith was another of the nearly countless talented amateur photographers who entered into the Sony mirrorless craze via the fantastic and highly underrated Sony A6000. But like many of us, the beautiful images he captured with his A6000 only made his thirst for a full-frame sensor even that much stronger. Keith recently took the leap and upgraded to the universally impressive A7III, citing the good reviews and dual card slots as some of the reasons for the upgrade. A few weeks ago, I let him shoot with my Zeiss Batis 85mm f1.8 lens, and he absolutely loved it. So much so that he went ahead and rented one for the photo shoot today. But he also wanted to try a zoom lens with a similar focal length to compare before making a purchase decision. So I also brought along my excellent Sony G 70-200 f4 lens. Why are we comparing a 1.8 prime lens and a 4.0 zoom lens? Because some people are on a budget and might be up in the air when it comes to choosing between two lenses with a bit of reach. Both lenses are built extremely well and produce sharp images, and believe it or not, the Sony G 70-200 produces great bokeh. Not as creamy as the Batis, of course, but still very pleasing, bokeh-licious results. Both feature image stabilization, and both are dust and moisture resistant. Keith is at Coffee to Cocktails. He's got today the Batis 85mm f1.8 on the Sony A7III. He's renting it to try it out because he tried out mine and he loved it. Tell me what you like about this lens, Keith.
Just the clarity, how crisp, how quick it grabs focus using the auto eye focus on the Sony A7 III. It's fabulous.
Yeah, and today we're shooting a gorgeous model out here. This is Erika, and she borrowed this beautiful truck. It's a big Chevy truck, and we're going to shoot her in a few different outfits out here. We're out here kind of on a deserted road in New Mexico. Keith is an extremely talented photographer, no doubt, but he admittedly has limited experience when it comes to lenses. That's not a good or a bad thing. In fact, some photographers believe that mastering one lens makes for the beginnings of a master photographer. And Keith shot exclusively with the Sigma 18-35 f1.4 lens and the MC11 adapter for quite a long time. So when it came to trying out the two lenses today, he was ecstatic. Truth be told, this isn't a true comparison video of these two lenses, and we didn't set out to shoot it that way. Keith and I just enjoy shooting photos, plain and simple. He wanted to try out these two lenses, so we went out and enjoyed a great day of shooting with a beautiful model named Erika, and I just wanted to share our photo shoot with you. If you get something out of it, all the better.
I think it's good. I mean, I'm pretty excited about some of these shots. I think we've really nailed some good stuff here. Well, I tell you what, I mean, like I said, with imperfect light like this, I mean, I just don't see why, you would need anything other than this.
Yeah. And that's exactly right. If I was on a budget and had to pick between these two fantastic lenses, I'd have to go with the Sony G 70-200 due to its solid blend of versatility and quality. The Zeiss Batis is a fabulous lens, no doubt, and I'm fortunate enough to be able to afford both of these lenses. Once the sun went down, Keith understandably switched to the Zeiss Batis 85 and got some nice images in low light, taking advantage of the 1.8 aperture. Thanks for watching another great video here on Hey Don't Shoot. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment, tell us what you think of both of these fantastic lenses, and as always, be sure to take a moment and subscribe to our channel.